Why do we wear caps? Why do we wear caps?
This is a custom in Islam. It is a Muslim custom to wear caps. The cap, if you are wearing, gives you a sense of responsibility. If you go in the streets with caps, then people look at you as if you are a responsible person. But without cap, the responsibility is gone. So it is a custom of Islam to wear caps, and that is why, to show respect, when we go to the mosque, we always cover our heads. Right? Give it to him. Yes, what's your question?
Assalamu alaikum.